I just watched a very tragic video. A bit funny when given the context, but nonetheless tragic. A gentleman went to a Bikini Beans location and drove up to the drive-through window while touching himself. When the employee called him out on his behavior, he left and unalived himself. I see where persons are blaming the company to the point where the company had to release a statement saying that their staff is their main priority. The situation is tragic. And what I want to know, for those persons who are out here trying to call out this company for what are you trying to call out the company for? This is a grown man that drove up to a place of employment, an establishment, a business place, and decided to please himself in front of the staff. And because he was called out for his behavior, he decided to off himself, and he wanted to blame the employee, the employers, the company, and a whole. That's madness. That is utter and sheer madness. I will not get behind that type of rhetoric. No time at all, no time soon. You're a man. As a matter of fact, you're an individual, you're a human being. You're not a base primal creature. You're a human being with intellect and sense. You go ahead and you do such a repulsive behavior where you're acting like you're an animal, you cannot control your urges, and then you go ahead and then do that to yourself. No one is to be blamed but you, sir. I'm sorry for the loved ones that were left behind that has to go through the shame of being labeled as a relative of that person, pointed out by others to be like that person. I'm sorry you have to go through that. But no one is to be blamed for this person's behavior. He got up that morning, that evening, or whatever time it was, and decided to drove to that location and do that to himself. I have nothing more to say. But again, these are just my thoughts. Thank you.